Wacky Squickies, whack up, back up. Let's see if I can finally open one of these without struggling. Nope, the answer is definitely not. Pikachu is in every pack, but we want to see if we can get another holo. Pikachu, Yamper, and Dreepy. No holos. And I bought, I think, 3 boxes of Cinnamon Toast Crunch, guys. We're scalping cereal nowadays. Look at that. 3 Pikachus. Aren't they so cute, though? I had a Darkness Ablaze one of this, and my home burned down, so that died with it. But I'm happy to get this. Like, subscribe for more videos.